Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to lock home screen layout in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to home screen. This is home screen. Suppose if you would like to uninstall an app or move one particular app, you can do it as of now. Okay, I long press on Snapchat and I can see uninstall app, or you can move this app in other place. Okay, suppose if you would like to lock home screen layout, then if you have locked, you cannot able to move it or uninstall that particular app. Okay, so how to do locking for home screen layout? First, go to settings of your phone first, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to home settings and just turn on this button lock layout, so that home screen layout will be locked, and in home screen no app can be uninstalled or moved. So go to the same app, Snapchat, long press it and you cannot move it or you cannot uninstall it. Okay, because it is locked. If you track, it will not move. Okay, yes, I tried for Spotify. This is also locked. Everything will be locked. Okay, you cannot move. Okay, so in this way you can easily lock home screen layout in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.